Pigeons in a galaxy that is almost like ours. Oh, wait, can we do that again?
Fine, for the third time. Dakota, you really need to get this one right, you know. You're gonna get fired.
Pigeons in a galaxy that is ours. Is that too formal?
No, just keep on going.
Oh, okay. Where was I? Oh yes, pigeons, right. Well, these marvelous creatures came to us on asteroids.
Oh, brother. As you can see, these pigeons are currently fighting. Afterwards, the successor will win the mate.
Witness the tyranny of these marvelous birds. Back to the pigeon. James, hey, why was your video okay? The perfect pigeons are now resting. We will conclude this video by saying goodbye to these pigeons.